A ship carrying wheat sinks in the Straits of Mackinac. A 4-day snowstorm continues. Freezing rain causes power outages and traffic accidents. Welcome to another episode of Yooper Snow Chronicles, a short history of winter weather events across the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. I'll be talking about April 4th in the years of 2007, 2002, 1999, and 1894. I hope you enjoy today's winter weather history from the UP of Michigan. I'm Yooper Steve. Let's get started. In 2007, on April 4th, an intense storm system was tracking from the plains and into the Great Lakes region. This dumped heavy lake effect snow across much of the Upper Peninsula from the 3rd into the 7th. Blizzard to near blizzard conditions also occurred from the 4th and into the 5th, closing many schools and businesses throughout the area. Wind gusts were estimated at excess of 50 miles an hour, which caused damage at a home in Bruting Township, just north of Iron Mountain on the 4th. A large pine tree toppled and damaged a backyard deck, an air conditioning unit, and even a rabbit pen, and also caused a leak in a natural gas line there. In 2002, April 4th, a 3 to 4 foot deep snowpack remained over much of the central and western areas of the Upper Peninsula. In the snowfall was about 9 inches of water. This would lead to a snow melt flooding in mid-April across the western and central areas of the UP. April 4th, 1999, a low-pressure center from the northern Minnesota area moved eastward into the northern Lake Michigan area with a stationary front remaining to the south of the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Warmer air aloft and freezing temperatures at the surface produced a period of freezing rain across the north-central regions of the UP. Now, ice accumulations were around a half inch thick. They were reported by the National Weather Service electronic technicians that were working on equipment in Houghton and the Copper Harbor areas in the Keweenaw. Also, local power companies were reporting outages due to tree branches falling and breaking on trees, and also there was many power lines that were damaged as a result of those branches falling. Police departments were also reporting numerous minor traffic accidents due to the slick roads. Way back in 1894, on April 4th, a wood freighter called Minneapolis was carrying 48,517 bushels of wheat. It was damaged by ice and then ran across a rocky bottom near McGulpin Point, causing her to leak profusely. The ship sank quickly, almost under the current site of the Mackinac Bridge in the Straits of Mackinac in Lake Michigan. The rising waters from the wreck began to quickly put out any fires that were aboard, and it quickly sunk to the bottom. The crew was rescued by a schooner, San Diego, part of her tow. One crew member claimed that she was hauled by ice where her iron plating had been removed to repair the wooden hull that was not replaced. I guess we'll never know about that one, right? Thanks for watching another episode of Yooper Snow Chronicles from the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. I'm Yooper Steve. Stay cold, my friends. We'll see you on another video.